Welcome back. The UPS swept the election. We call the election first, and let's go across to see straight from our reporters. First to you, Madhav, Tamanna, all live with us this evening, this afternoon. Suparna is also there with us. Madhav, where is Mr. Advani? Has he come out yet? Has he spoken to journalists yet? I mean, it's out of form that the leader of the opposition, the prime ministerial candidate, has not spoken so far, isn't it?
Well, Arnav, exactly. In fact, Mr. Advani has been at home the whole morning today. In fact, a series of leaders who've come to meet here right from the time from before the actual results started coming out to even later this early in the afternoon when the BJP President Rajnath Singh, Venkaiah Naidu, Ravi Shankar Prasad and several other leaders went in to meet with him. Of course, it's after they met with him that that press conference was addressed by Arun Jaitley. But yes, Mr. L.K. Advani, of course, who's been closely following the events on television since morning, of course, must certainly be quite dejected. But yes, quite surprising that he's yet not made any statement. We do know that at about 5 this evening there is a parliamentary board meeting right here at his residence. It's over here that the parliamentary board meeting will be on, and perhaps after that we can expect some kind of statement from Mr. Advani's side. But yet no word coming in officially from Mr. L.K. Advani.
Okay, now Nandita Suneja has more information on the big breaking news story here on Times Now. This is about the distribution of portfolios. Now, Nandita has spoken to Congress sources, and they don't seem to be in a generous mood at all. Now, we have follow-up questions on what then will be the role of the other smaller parties. But Nandita, yes, apparently the Congress has made up its mind about how the share of the spoils.
What sources are telling us, Arnab, is that the key portfolios like home, defense, external affairs and finance are likely to stay with the Congress. Perhaps this is not so much of a surprise considering the kind of number that the Congress has managed to get. Also, sources telling us that the Prime Minister has had a word with Sonia Gandhi. Congratulations, and the good wishes have been exchanged over the phone. There is a big meeting of Congress leaders expected to take place today evening. Time not yet fixed at Sonia Gandhi's residence. Also, tomorrow, a likely meeting of UPA allies is going to be called. We don't know yet whether it will be at the Prime Minister's residence or will UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi call it at her residence. But clearly now, moving into the motions of forming a government, and the Congress realizing that with the numbers on its side, it is going to be in a good bargaining position. An important point to add to that left debate, Arnab, sources also telling us that we're not...
That was extremely clear. Let me go to Suparna there first. Because if Mamata Banerjee gets, 12 seats eventually in West Bengal?
17 seats.
17 seats is the picture for Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal. She's going to demand a pound of flesh. I mean, 17 seats would be the equivalent of what? 3 to 4 key cabinet berths. That's what Mamata Banerjee can rightfully ask for. Suparna, will she join the government unless she gets that lion's share?
Well, absolutely, Arnab. Since on the national front, it is now clear that the UPA is leading, and therefore the very theory that Mamata Banerjee's alliance with the Congress would have been seeing a split if the left would have given support. Now that scenario is out of the question. And so Mamata Banerjee, what we hear from our sources within the TMC is that they are very confident that now with the UPA not having to resort to the left support, they will definitely, they are not in a mood to celebrate at the moment, because as far as West Bengal is concerned, in unprecedented manner, they've got the largest number of seats that any opposition has been able to garner so far. In 1984, it was the Trinamool who had got, it was the Congress which had got 16 seats, and this time they've already 12 seats have been declared, and they're leading in another 9 seats, which makes their count go up to a very, very healthy 21 seats. Right now in front of Mamata Banerjee's house.
That is significant.
The last we saw of her was
that.
today in the morning when quite characteristically she was looking quite tensed, did not speak to the media. But now what we believe is that she's watching the numbers very closely right inside her house. But she can also sense the celebrations, the jubilations celebrations which are going on outside her very residence here at Kalighat. And but what the sense that we are getting is that the Trinamool Congress is now all ready to join the government, with Mamata Banerjee being at the helm of it. Meanwhile, Arnab, here at Kalighat, celebrations are on. People are very happy, and what they feel is that this
celebrations there, they almost seem to be skewed there to the time
the left front's initiatives in taking up agricultural land, and they are feeling that this is mainly a triumph of Mamata Banerjee and her party.
Well,